3 Usman. 4 question mark. Yep, and now start doing.
लेकिन स्ट्रैटेजी तो यही होती है कि टीम अच्छी बने और हम PSL जीतें। और पिछले दफ़ा भी हमने कोशिश यही की थी और हम फाइनल में फिनिश किए थे, फाइनल में रनर अप्स फिनिश हुए थे। तो इस दफ़ा कोशिश है कि ऐसी टीम बनाएं कि हम फाइनल जीतें।
And then from we definitely want an overseas opener, right?
पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड की जानिब से हम मुल्तान सुल्तान के सरबरा जनाब अली खान तरीन साहब को खुशामदीद कहते हैं।
So we have a pick in platinum, and then we have 2 picks in gold. We'll look to secure the best middle order.
Platinum pick, I will request the first ever female fast bowling coach, Catherine Daunton, to reveal our pick.
And no signs of never done something. I'm not the same. How many think I'll go and get a bud? Keep.
We've got our attentions, we've got the core, we've got to build around there. We've identified basically the slots that we're looking to fill. And clearly we know where our picks are. Do we want to start building shadow teams? Or do we want to think about lists of the players that we would look for in each of those slots to begin with?
Well, I think let's start building the 11 based on around our retentions and identify what kind of players we need and what characteristics we need them to have, and then start looking at the list and then start picking them out.
So we're very pleased with our retentions because we've been able to retain a lot of quality players who were with us last year and part of a team that was very successful. And the other aspect of that group of players that we've retained is that lots of them deliver value in different parts of the game.
So the question is, are we prioritizing our bowling attack more or our batting? Because if number 5 is Khushdil / Nawaz, then and I think the batting looks good, especially if our
Well, it depends who we get at number 2 and number 4, especially number 4. जैसे एक तो रिजवान हमारे पास ऑलरेडी हमारे कैप्टन भी हैं, रिटेन भी हुए हैं, तो उनके साथ हमें एक एक्सप्लोसिव टाइप का एक ओपनर चाहिए. तो सबसे पहला टारगेट हमारा यही होगा कि उनके साथ जो ओपनर होगा, चाहे वो फॉरनर हो, चाहे वो लोकल हो, वो एक्सप्लोसिव बैट्समैन हो, ताकि वो कम्प्लीमेंट कर सकें रिजवान को. तो एक तो वो हो गया. उसके बाद मिडिल ऑर्डर के अंदर हमें ऐसा बैटर चाहिए कि नंबर 4, 5 के ऊपर हमारी वो स्लॉट्स एम्प्टी हैं अभी, तो वहाँ पे कौन से बैट्समैन फिट इन हो सकते हैं.
पहले पिक के हवाले से हमने काफ़ी लोगों को बात की कि हमें लेफ्टी पिक करना चाह रहे हैं, लेकिन वो एक असल में मिस डायरेक्शन थी. असल में हम पिक करना चाह रहे हैं डेरिल मिचेल को एज अ मिडिल ऑर्डर बैटर एंड स्पिन डिस्ट्रॉयर इन आवर 11. वो है हमारा नंबर 1 पिक.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the talking is done. Not for me. The anticipation is here. And the decisions are made. Just to remember you that each team has obviously a right to match in this draft, only being able to use it once. So it is platinum round, and obviously the first pick is pick number 1, the platinum round, and that is Lahore Qalandars. So the clock is ticking on the Lahore Qalandars. I think they are ready. They are already chosen, and their player is Daryl Mitchell. So the pick is Daryl Mitchell. We'll come back and ask him why Daryl Mitchell. Congratulations, of course.
अगर वो हमें ना मिल सका तो फिर हम पिक करेंगे माइकल ब्रेसवेल को. Who's going to pick Bracewell in the first before supplementary? Could you show us where Bracewell goes down till? Bracewell लेफ्टी भी है, लेकिन जो उसकी सबसे कमाल बात है जो हमने स्टैट्स देखे जो हम सब देख के बेहोश हो गए.
So Bracewell's played 23 innings at number 4 in his career, averaging 26 and striking at 120. I mean, to be fair, he's batted 20 innings at number 3, 20 innings at number 4, 30 innings at number 5, and 20 innings at number 6. So he can bat anywhere really in that middle order.
Now, Michael Bracewell has that ability to bat in the middle order and be very destructive. But he also is a spinner who can open the bowling, and actually his record in the power play with the ball is absolutely world class.
Bracewell?
Yeah, I quite like Bracewell, but he's not really he with Mitchell. He's more of a bowler who bats rather than a batter who bowls. But it could be a potentially better backup than Neesham if we don't get Mitchell.
तो क्योंकि हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं ज़्यादा स्पिन फ्रेंडली कंडीशंस, हमें नज़र आ रहा है कि ब्रेसवेल एट 5 प्लस हिज पावर प्ले बॉलिंग विद विली एक बहुत डेंजरस वेपन होगी हमारे लिए. उसका जो पावर प्ले में बॉलिंग का इम्पैक्ट है वो अनबिलीवेबल है. वन ऑफ द टॉप 5 ऑन अर्थ उसका है पावर प्ले का रिकॉर्ड, इवन दो इज एन ऑफ स्पिनर. तो हमने सोचा है कि हम पिक करेंगे मिचेल को. अगर मिचेल जैसा बैटर ना मिला हम पिक करेंगे माइकल ब्रेसवेल को इन आवर फर्स्ट पिक.
Well, it was not Pasawa Salmi. I apologise. It was the Multan Sultans. Have you made your choice?
Yes. For our first platinum pick, I will request the first ever female fast bowling coach, Catherine Dalton, to reveal our pick.
Michael Bracewell.
Gone for another New Zealander. So Michael Bracewell is your pick. So congratulations on that.
अब दूसरी बात, बैटिंग में हमने मज़ीद अगर अपनी स्क्वाड इंप्रूव करनी है तो हम कैसे करेंगे. अभी हमारा प्लान है, हमारे पास होएगा एक ओवरसीज़ बैटर रिजवान के साथ, 3 पे उस्मान खान जो माशाल्लाह सेंचुरी पे सेंचुरी करा होता है. अब 4 पे बहुत एक इंपॉर्टेंट पोजीशन है बिकॉज 4 पे यूजली स्पिन ऑन होती है.
We also have Kamran Ghulam in the list. So Kamran Ghulam also can bowl left arm spin. Can bowl
Yeah,
one
I
or
love
two
Kamran
overs,
Ghulam.
yes. If the pitch spins, then I think he could be a.
Yeah, I love Kamran Ghulam. Top guy.
So Kamran Ghulam, I think if we can get him, it will solve our left arm spin because 2 overs from Ifti, 2 from Kamran, 4 from Osama.
देखिए स्पिन को खेलने वाले बैट्समैन और स्पिन फ्रेंडली कंडीशन जो कि एक्सपेक्टेड हैं तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपके 4-5 नंबर पे कौन से बैट्समैन खेलेंगे क्योंकि ऐसा हो सकता है कि मिडिल ओवर्स में दे हैव टू फेस स्पिन फ्रॉम द बोथ एंड. तो वो देखते हुए हमने देखा है कि कामरान इज़ अ क्वालिटी बैट्समैन. जिस तरीके से अभी वो पाकिस्तान से भी खेले, उनका डेब्यू हुआ, आई एम श्योर ही इज़ गोना बी फुल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. और जिस तरह से वो खेलते हुए आ रहे हैं ही कुड मेक द डिफरेंस. के नंबर 4 के ऊपर हम देख रहे हैं कामरान गुलाम को.
Okay. If our number 4 batter or number 5 batter is a priority, I think in our second goal pick we should pick Ghulam and lock in a high quality batter in our 11.
So it depends what other options we have.
Just think about it. No, but then don't we need more batting focus because it's a difficult pitch?
Yeah, the good spin players.
I'm happy with Tayyab as equally with the overseas. I'd rather have Tayyab than Connolly, for example, on a spin friendly.
Tayyab or Kamran, they are both equally good.
In gold, if we pick Kamran, in first silver we can pick Tayyab or right to match Tayyab, no problem.
Time is up then, the calendars, and your pick is, please.
Our pick is Tayyab Tahir, who was with Qalandar's player development program and played a Battle of Qalandars and then got picked up by the other franchise. So we are happy to announce that we are picking Tayyab Tahir.
Multan Sultans have got something to say here.
Yeah, they have put up their card.
We have lost a lot of players in this draft. We will not let another one go. We are using our right to match to bring home Tayyab Tahir.
So the right to match has been played by the Multan Sultans. Tayyab was so close, but now he's been taken back and is going to stay for the 10th edition with the Multan Sultans.
हमने देखा कि हम यहाँ किसको पिक करें. ऑब्वियसली हमारा प्लेयर है तैयब ताहिर, तो हम तो उसको पिक करना चाह रहे हैं, तो हमने उस पर हमने अपने प्लान बनाया हुआ था. लेकिन इशू ये है बिकॉज खुशदिल शाह इस दफ़ा चला गया है, हमारे पास कोई नहीं है जो लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिन करा सकता है इन द स्क्वाड, लोकल प्लेयर. तब हम फिर सोच में पड़े कि हम खुशदिल का स्पिन अगर हमें नहीं मिलता वापस, तो उम्मीद है वो डायमंड पिक हो जाएगा या गोल्डन पिक होएगा हमारे से पहले, तो हम उसका पूरा कैसे करेंगे लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिन. जब हमने देखे कौन बैटर अवेलेबल है ड्राफ्ट में, तब हमें नज़र आया कामरान गुलाम.
I still think Kamran is, I think,
Kamran looks
the best batsman in this side.
Yeah, Kamran is the best.
He has 100 in T20
Yeah.
on a batting pitch in Rawalpindi.
You're right, Kamran is the best batter we have. Fine. अब कामरान गुलाम, मैं उसका इतनी देर से फ़ैन हूँ कि जब हम सदर्न पंजाब चला रहे थे, मैं तब से कोशिश कर रहा था इसको हम ट्रेड इन करें. I'm a huge fan of Kamran. बंदा भी अच्छा है, प्लेयर भी अच्छा है, प्रॉपर बैटर है. तो इस्लामाबाद can't pick anyone. It's us Karachi who can pick one, Zalmi and us. And we have second pick in gold. So we can pretty much guarantee Kamran.
For our next gold pick, we would like to request another special guest, the coach of the gold medalist Arshad Nadeem, Mr. Salman Butt Saab, an unsung hero of Pakistan.
Thank you, Ali. It's a privilege and an honor to be here at this event this evening, and I wish the organizers of PSL a very successful tournament up ahead. As for the pick this evening for our organization is Kamran Ghulam.
Field during the game. Which ball? Have you guys planned to have a fielding captain and all these things, set up fielding protocols? How can you have someone who left the field so they disagree with his captain?
Asar like the energy, right?
Asar, say everything again, but looking at the camera off the computer, not the screen. Ali Noor is getting you on camera.
I've been working all day. He just woke up.
Has he been asleep?
Yes.
Asa.
That's why he's looking so fresh.